Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone so the game runs smoothly. First, confirm your device has 4 GB or more RAM and a 60 Hz or higher display. This avoids stutter. Once done, sign into your Riot account and enable two-step verification for security. Next, download Valorant Mobile from the official store, grant storage and microphone permissions, and free about 1 GB of space for updates and cache. Now that installation is underway, you're ready to open the game and move to controls. Once the game loads, focus on controls and performance because they determine how well you play. Start by selecting a graphics preset that targets 60 FPS, reduce details if you notice frame drops. Then adjust sensitivity, begin around 30 to 40% and change incrementally so muscle memory develops. Make separate values for aiming down sights and general swipe. Next, customize the on-screen layout. Place ability buttons within thumb reach and assign quick ability taps. Finally, spend 10-15. You now move into actual matches and ongoing tuning so gameplay stays consistent. Begin with casual lobbies, focus on 1 or 2 agents and use quick chat or voice to coordinate. Make sure your ping stays below 50 milliseconds, use stable Wi-Fi or a good 4G/5G signal, and change servers if latency spikes. Once a session ends, review sensitivity or button placement and adjust. If the game crashes or lags, clear app cache. Update the OS, reinstall if necessary, or lower graphics to a stable mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.